Let's see it. Not sure today's football or not. These are the tourist attractions. Theatre Royal Brighton, Seafront, the Grand Brighton, the Brighton Bandstand, Royal Pavilion, Peace Statue at Sunset, Veteran Car Ground, more weekend, West Pier, Commemoration Pattern around the pier, Royal Pavilion Gardens, Brighton Fringe, Brighton Festival, Bandstand, Huts, Sea Life, Marina, Folks Electric Runway, Seafront, I-360, Carrefour Street, North Lane, the lanes, Regency Architecture, Brighton Battersfield, and then little Brighton Bike Ride. Oh, today's there's a football. Oof, fuck. Jesus, I didn't expect that. I didn't even know that today's football, but I'm not sure. This is how station looks when football heads to the Brighton. There is ticket office and the crowd is all over. We are thinking of going to London today. Let's see. It's gonna be chaos today. Football day is a busiest day. Always. Better not to record now. I don't know how to play it. And on station, there are shops, M&S, coffee shop, W.S. Smith, as always. All the stations have it. And coffee, FCB, and the Pret. And there's one donut shop as well. There's a sweet shop. There's a coffee shop in the corner as well. And I'm moving out. There's one shop, Superdry.
Public city. Sure, I can see so much of Russia. Let's.
Do not drive in it. It's just 2 coaches or 3 coaches. The DLR abbreviation supports the Docklands Light Railways, which covers the Dockland area of the London in the east side of the London. We come across along the way. This station says Brighton. I deliberately mispronounced the station. And that's it. This is Brighton Park. Missed our stop. We should haven't gotten off at Royal Albert Station stop. Unless they can come further 2 stops. Now I'm sitting like on the driver's seat. I mean, look at this DLR. In the interest of safety, passengers must vacate the seats if required to do so by the passenger service agent. Please do not distract the passenger service agent when the train is being operated from the point of front. Wow! It's actually yacht. It's like a ship, and on that ship is a hotel. They call it the Yacht Hotel, and the price is like 105 per night. £100, just £100 per night. And we are in front of the Excel London. The Excel abbreviation is for Exchange and Convention Centre at London. International Exchange and Convention. Now we just got off from the DLR. Now we're just walking towards London Bridge Tower. The Tower Bridge, London. It is so new. Everything is new for us when we visit this country. Look at this Tower Bridge. And this is London Tower. Tower of London. The Sky Garden. And now we reach to the London Tower Bridge. On our right side you can see the Tower Castle as Vic prompted it. I would say London Tower. Hey Tower! London Tower. And that's there. City Thames Link. Means a river. A River Thames Link. If you take Uber boats or any kind of boats from here, you can go to the Canary Wharf, which is £10 almost per person. And we took a ride in the Cambridge, what do we call it? Portland, not sure what the word it was. The Shard, one of the top highest building in the Europe. It has a height of 116 feet tall. And that's up there, it's a London Bridge. Look at there, Vivek. London Bridge. And this City Giant Tower, designed and architected by Renzo Piano in 2012, has been built up. So we will one day, in upcoming future, we will be having dinner on such boat on the River Thames Link. So this bridge can open. So we took a ride at the Cambridge, which was, we did a river punting in a river camp, and it wasn't that worth it actually. So if you got a chance, if you're coming here, make sure you're boarding on the boats on River Thames Link, which are going to Canary Wharf. I think it will take like £7 to £10, but that wasn't that fascinating or interesting punting boat ride. So that was it. Shot 310 meters tall. Third UK's largest skyscrapers. Day. Wow, it's a London Bridge. 8. Platform 4. On this side, 7, 8. This is Thameslink. It's night time. What time it is? 11:15. We're back in Brighton. That was nice.